Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you the latest sensational hit Bekhayali mein from the movie Kabir Singh. So, take out your ukes and start learning this song with ukeguide. So guys, it's a pretty easy song and you need 4 easy chords to play the entire song. And the chords are chord A minor, chord G, chord F and chord D. Now if you know these 4 chords, then you can skip to the strumming part of this lesson. Else, let's first learn how to play these 4 chords. So to play chord A minor, you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord A minor should sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord F should sound like this. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D should sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern, and in this song we are using a very basic, very easy strumming pattern, that is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Now we will first practice this pattern on these chords, and then I'm gonna explain you how you can use this pattern in various sections of this song. Okay, so let's practice this pattern on chord A minor. Okay, so you hold chord A minor and you practice this pattern like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, now you move to chord G. Okay, so hold chord G like this and you start playing the pattern. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So guys, the song will start with chorus part, and I'm gonna play single strokes for you first, and then I'm gonna explain you how you can convert it to the pattern. Okay, so it should sound like this. बेखयाली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल आए. So what we did, we just played 6 downstrokes on chord A minor. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we played 2 downstrokes on chord G. Alright, now you just need to relate these downstrokes with the actual pattern. So it should sound like this. Start. Bekhayali mein bhi tera hi khayal aaye, kyun bichhadna hai zaruri ye khayal aaye. Okay, so this completes the chorus part. Now you have to start with pre-chorus, and in pre-chorus we will play chord F. Okay, so hold chord F and then you start playing the same pattern 6 times. तेरी नज़दीकियों की खुशी बेहिसाब थी, हिस्से में फासले भी तेरे बेमिसाल आए. Alright, now after pre-chorus, again repeat the chorus part. बेखयाली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल आए. So guys, next part would be verse 1, and to play verse 1 we'll be using chord A minor, chord G and chord D, and you have to play chord A minor 4 times. Okay, remember the same downstrokes. Then you have chord G, you play it 2 times, then you play chord D once, and then you again play chord G 1 time. Okay, so when you convert it to the strumming pattern, it should sound like this. मैं जो तुझसे दूर हूँ, क्यों दूर मैं रहूँ, तेरा गुरूर हूँ, आ क्यों फासले मिटा, क्यों ख्वाब ना मिला, ते ख्वाब तोड़ दूँ. Alright, now after that you again repeat the chorus part. बेखयाली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल आए, क्यों बिछड़ना है जरूरी ये ख्याल आए. Now guys, you can also play verse 1 with a more powerful strumming pattern that should sound like this. Okay, so downstroke and chuck stroke, downstroke and chuck stroke, downstroke and chuck stroke, downstroke and chuck stroke. Okay, so it should sound like this. मैं जो तुझसे दूर हूँ, क्यों दूर मैं रहूँ, तेरा गुरूर हूँ, आ क्यों फासले मिटा, क्यों दूर तू है जा, क्यों ख्वाब तोड़ दूँ. Okay, so now again you can start the same chorus part, and this will just give you some kind of variation, and it will also look nice in this song as it's a very powerful song. Now we can move to verse 2, and verse 2 can be played like this. रातें देंगी बता, नींदों में तू मेरे साथ है, लूं कैसे तुझे, तू तो ख्यालों में साथ है. Okay, so it's exactly same like verse 1, and you can use single downstrokes, it will again look good, or you can keep on playing the same pattern. Okay, now once you're done with verse 2, you can again start with chorus part.